My bad, Gabe. I feel so bad.
Help.
Well. Yo, what is up, guys? We are here today with a box.
Who are you?
Who are you? Blue Braille. A box of Blue Braille.
My name is Gabe Cruz. This is Mowgli, and this is Uzi Walker Daniel, and we're here today for a very, very special challenge. We have the 2 highest olliers in the history of the Braille team.
Hey, you gotta try to ollie too.
I'm gonna try like one. So, the special edition version today is the highest ollie over handboards. I know. So, we're gonna open this up real
What
quick.
am I thinking right now?
You're thinking about the Taylor Swift Christmas album, or Christmas
right.
song.
You're right.
I know. Oh, I'm so sorry. You
Hey,
all right?
watch yourself, bucko. Are you gonna take them out of the box?
Had to bite it. Yeah.
Looks like you're having some trouble there.
Okay, here we go. So these are the handboards in which we will be ollieing over. These ones right here. And we're gonna stack them just like regular boards. And we're just gonna keep stacking and stacking and stacking and stacking and stacking and stacking until these guys cannot ollie over them anymore.
That's gonna be scary to hang on to.
I know. Check that out. Okay, so we calculated it. When you stand them up, pull up. All right, so if you stack a regular board right next to it, so roughly 4 to 5 boards make up about an 825. So hopefully we can get to like 40 handboards, which will be a lot of skateboards. 8. What do you think?
39.
I think we should just open like a whole box and then we'll just start going.
Yeah.
And the question is, do we put one down and then go and then put another one
I'd
down, or
start
do we
like
just
5.
do 2, 2, 2, 2?
That's not there.
You start there?
Steezy and lit. Dude, if I'm ever a car salesman, that's how I'm selling cars.
By saying they're steezy and lit?
Would you like this Tahoe right here? It is 4 doors, which is steezy and also lit. I like the minivan, but is it steezy and lit? Yes, that one is also steezy and lit. Take it. If the geese attack, I'm getting my crow friends and we're coming back here and we're whipping some geese tail.
What are you doing?
I don't know. It's like a
Oh!
oh!
This is
Oh.
gonna be harder.
It's like a
Snake.
Oh, slither little snake.
I'm a slithering handboards. I like this. It's gonna form. Bro, let's form a full circle. Like this. I'm pretty sure this is how the wheel was invented. They just took a bunch of handboards and they're like, hold on, it's making a wheel.
3 more in there.
At some point, this is gonna stop working somehow. We need some more. Wait a minute, Gabe. My mind is going.
What?
If this can be done with handboards, it can be done with real boards.
Chris Chan did it with real boards
No,
already.
like this?
Yeah, he rolled it down a hill.
No, he didn't do it like this though.
He didn't do it like this.
He did it the other way.
This is
What do you mean?
this is the way.
Like,
Oh, you're right.
This is the way, Gabe. The future is now.
Oh, we got like 5.
Yeah.
Maybe 5 more.
We need 2 more. My palms are sweaty. No, we can't. We can't force it. They need to be stacked tightly. What are you doing? Trash. No one cares about trash. The environment comes second.
what?
We're holding this over here. Our arms are getting tired. I'm sweating in my eyes. Today, Junior.
I kind of want to go slower now. Thinking about the environment.
Oh no! Hey, you gotta at least let me take a picture of this. Like, we gotta put it back together. Dan, take a picture of this. Please, Dan. What are you doing? Why aren't you taking a picture of it? Oh, let me take a picture of it. You just hold it there. It's beautiful.
Ready?
Are you gonna try to roll it? Let me slow-mo it.
I'm just gonna let it collapse.
Okay, that's fine.
3, 2, 1. That's why we can't have nice things.
All right, you ready?
I was born ready. We're out here on a beautiful, cloudy, overcast day. Hey, look! Wow, there's a bunch of handboards. What should we start with? 4? 1?
No, I think we start
7,
with 1.
3.5?
One single one.
1? I don't know if I could ollie that.
Cold.
Did he make it?
That's a lot of effort.
All right, can I get my one ollie of the video?
I don't know if I could ollie over that. That's high, dude. You see that? It's almost up to my waist. Come on, Dan. Think I'm crazy? All right. There's 1.
Wow.
Look at that. 5 little guys.
Ollie it.
Dan, make your prediction. How many do you think we're gonna get? You think 40? Dan, what do you think?
37.
Okay. Uzi says 37. What do you say, Aussie?
How many are there?
We have about 80 of them.
Oh, 42.
You think 42? So 37, 42. Can I go? I'm just gonna go right in the middle. I'm gonna say 40. How many do you think? He said 50? Holy crap.
You're in the landing zone over there.
What is that god-awful noise? Sounds like an airplane is trying to take off in someone's garage. You're good! No! You touched!
I didn't touch.
You definitely touched.
I did it.
You hit the top one.
I would never.
You know what I want to do?
You're not gonna participate? You ollie higher than all of us.
I'm gonna have to participate.
You don't want to like warm up?
No. My stomach hurts.
All right, one more. One more will be 10. A quarter of the way to my prediction.
You can't let it go as they go over.
Well, what? Well, then what's? It's gonna hit my arm.
Oh, watch out! He's coming.
This is very scary.
I told you I would hold them, and then you're like, you just ollie till you can't anymore, and then I'll hold it. In the meantime, so you take one for the team here, man.
Nobody kicked their board out into my
course.
face.
What's your name?
Brandon.
Brandon over here is gonna join us on this high ollie challenge. So we're trying to get to 50.
All right.
50?
Yes, 50. This is 15.
Yeah, we ain't getting to 50. What I say, 37?
You said 37, yeah.
Bro, I don't even think 30 will stand up.
Jeez.
I don't even think 30 will stand up. Look at this. It's dancing right now.
Oh my God, Dan! Oh, it's close. Imagine one of those inflatable things like in front of car dealerships and trying to control that. That's what it feels like. Oh, mother! I'm so sorry.
What is that?
20.
Oh, you got it. Go
He
back.
could shoot over like another 4. Imagine tech decks though.
Oh, you're over it.
Oh!
Oh! Came at my head.
Why?
I thought you had it.
I'm so sorry. Sorry, I got wheel bite. Won't happen again.
Are you scared, Dan? I'm scared.
This thing's feeling
You might have made the observation that handboards are both blue and black striped. That helps camouflage themselves from the vision of Gabe Cruz, which is, as we all know, can't see blue and black that well.
Oh, it's time.
Yeah! Photosynthesis powered you, bro.
There's the sun. I'm like Superman.
I'm sorry.
That took a little longer than I hoped for.
Okay, it was worth it.
It was definitely worth it.
Photosynthesis powered.
You've evolved.
You guys want to do 25 or try this one first?
I'll try this. Yeah, but it was high though.
All right, add another 5.
I'm gonna pyramid it. Right here. How many is that?
It's 25.
Oh god.
Wow, you guys did it! All right, here it is.
Go ahead.
This is kind of sketch.
My bad, Gabe.
Ah!
Did it hit you?
it
I'm
did.
sorry.
It's okay.
I feel so bad. Help.
That's 23.
That's 23. Let's do 23. 23?
Oh, geez.
How much is that?
I don't know anymore.
28? I put 3. 30?
That's 28. 2 more will be 30.
Good gabula.
Okay, Dan, you're gonna have to help me if he's doing this.
I don't want to hold the top.
Just hold it from behind, like let it rest on your hand.
If we snake it, maybe it'll stay.
We're gonna do this. Oh, here we go. How many is that?
Stand right here. I had to let go.
That's 28.
I was 28?
It's 28.
How far was I from 30?
I didn't see. I turned my head away.
2.
No, like height.
I don't know. I ran away.
I'm just gonna be olling through the middle. Trust me.
What?
So that's 30 right there.
Yeah.
Hold up. I got an idea.
What? Dan. Oh, I don't know about 30. Maybe 25? One more is 25. You got one more. I think let's go 28.
Yeah.
3 more and then we'll see where you stand. All right, this is 27.
Hey, brothers! Ah! My homies.
Oh, 26.
I think his max is 26.
I think 20, is this 26?
One more. Let me just give it one more go.
I mean, it has 27. He keeps hitting one off. Well,
All right, the challenge is 25. I don't think we can get any higher.
I will personally buy you a skateboard, not a complete, just a skateboard of your choice, and send it to you if you beat the number we just. But it has to be handboards.
So hashtag notification squad. Go out there, stack handboards. Ollie higher than 25 beat his challenge, and one lucky winner will be selected for Mowgli to buy them a skateboard deck. This was very hard. There's some videos right there. Go ahead and check them out. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below. And you, back there, I'm talking to you. You learn how to skateboard.